Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Traefik with Docker Compose for routing, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have Docker and Docker Compose installed on your machine. Next, create a new directory for your Traefik setup. Navigate to that directory in your terminal. Inside the new directory, create a file named dockercompose.yml. Open the dockercompose.yml file in your favorite text editor. Add the version information at the top of the file. Define the services section. Start with the Traefik service. Specify the image for Traefik. Add necessary labels to enable web and API access. Set up the ports for the Traefik service. Map port 80 for HTTP traffic. Map port 443 for HTTPS traffic. Next, configure the volume for Traefik. This volume will point to the Traefik configuration directory. Now, create a new directory called Traefik. Inside the Traefik directory, create a file named traefik.yml. In the traefik.yml file, define the entry points. Set up the HTTP and HTTPS entry points. Then, enable the API dashboard for monitoring. Next, let's add a sample service to demonstrate routing. In the dockercompose.yml, add a labels section under the service. Use labels to define the router rules for your service. Set the service to listen on your defined entry points. Configure the service to redirect HTTP traffic to HTTPS. Now, ensure Docker is running in the background. Return to your terminal and run the command to start the services. Use Docker Compose upd to run the services in detached mode. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.